Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming the essentials: device, OS, and microphone access so voice access can run. Once done, open settings and go straight to accessibility. Make sure the accessibility menu shows voice access. Give the microphone permission when prompted, because without it the system can't hear your commands. Now enable the voice access toggle. This first action turns on the feature and registers the app so you can proceed to configure command options. Once voice access is enabled, configure how you'll control it. Pick a wake phrase or choose always-on listening depending on privacy versus convenience. Next, map command shortcuts and fine-tune language or regional settings so recognition matches your speech patterns. Make sure to adjust sensitivity and feedback, visual or spoken, so false positives drop. Also set usage limits or app restrictions if you want voice access only for specific apps. This prevents unwanted commands in sensitive contexts. You finish by testing common commands. Open apps, tap items, scroll, and follow any guided voice tutorials. This trains the recognizer and reveals weak spots. Once satisfied, refine phrases and create custom commands for repetitive tasks, then save a preset so you don't repeat setup. If something breaks, check the microphone, permissions, and app updates first, then restart the device. If recognition still fails, temporarily reduce sensitivity or switch.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.